Good morning, future leaders. My name is Ansel Emmanuel Conchas of grade 6 Honesty. My life verse is Matthew 21, verse 22. If you believe, you will receive whatever you ask for in prayer.
Good morning, Montessorians. My name is Benedict Marco Escalito, and my life verse is Exodus 14, verse 14. The Lord will fight for you.
Good morning, fellow Montessorians. My name is David Emmanuel Bernardo from grade 6 Honesty. My life verse is Psalm 126, verse 5. Those who plant in tears will harvest with shout of joy.
Pleasant morning to all of us. I am Kizer Zara Ardio Priya from 6 Honesty, and my life verse is Proverbs 8, verse 18. The pain that you're feeling right now can compare to the joy that comes. Thank you. A good day to everyone. I am Adrian